Hello everyone, welcome to How to Create. My name is Amber and today I'm going to be showing you all how to sculpt a dog out of clay. Step 1. Take a pinch of clay and roll it into a small ball for the dog's head. Step 2. Take some more clay, rip it in half, and roll it between your fingers until they are about a medium length and a little bit skinny. Then flatten them slightly. Put these on either side of your ball for the dog's ears. Step 3. Make a ball smaller than your dog's head and flatten it. Stick it to the front of your dog's head to make his snout. Step 4. Take a piece of clay double the size you used for the head and roll it into an oval. This will be the body. Use your thumb to make an indent where the head will sit. Step 5. Take a tiny piece of clay and attach it to the back of the oval shape for the dog's tail. Then, take 4 small balls of clay and roll them to be long and skinny. These will be the legs of your dog. Place them underneath the body to make the dog lay down. Using your tool, add some eyes. You can use these basic shapes to make your dog be in all kinds of different poses. I'll show you another type of dog you can make. Step 6. Paint your dogs. Paint the base coat and let it dry completely before going in and adding the details. And there you have it. Here's what my dogs look like. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to share your finished sculptures with us on our Facebook and Instagram.